Crypto Billionaire 69 back with another in-depth technical analysis video. Let's get straight into the markets, my friends. I hope everyone's been okay. Let's get into this. Dogelon. Bitcoin is almost at that $24,000 level again, which is very good to see. We're going to head over to the Fear and Greed Index here soon. But as we can see, Dogelon is up above 8% today. That's a lot. That's good. That's really good. Wow, Bitcoin is kind of staying around the same $24,000 mark. So, what does that mean? That means that Dogelon is continuing to lag behind Bitcoin, just like we have seen in the past. Normally, it lags behind 3 days or so. This time, it took around a week. So, it's not a bad thing, but it's also not a good thing. It's just a thing. Hopefully that the lagging time frame will shorten to around a day or two in the future, so we can watch Bitcoin, get in Dogelon, and then ride it up, get out, make some money, call it a day. Beautiful, beautiful profits in our bank account, just like we are wanting. Okay, let's get into this technical analysis, my friends. They kind of changed this chart up a little bit. I can't really draw anymore, so I'm gonna have to switch over to TradingView for the videos in the future. But for this one, let's just go ahead and use our imagination, because you got to have good imagination in order to see these trends and make some money in these markets. So let's see how you guys do with imagination. So at the bottom point of this resistance, go ahead and look right here for me. I'm just gonna have my mouse over here, but you're looking around this area here. Okay, ready? We're at the 4161 level. That is the bottom of that candle wick, okay? That is the lowest point of support that we currently have in this pullback, okay? Let's go ahead and move down to the 1 month, yeah, these are 1 months. Maybe even 7 days. Here we go. This is that bigger move that we're seeing here, just condensed into 7 days. So as we can clearly see, we saw the spike, boom, and then the pullback, right? Spike, boom, pullback. Now it hovered around this 4583 level here, continuing to make higher lows, and then it came back down, tested again, kind of broke through the bottom there, faked some people out with that little uptrend, and then continued to dump, okay? So all the people who got out here made a lot of money. All the people who bought in here and continued to buy in were just getting cheapskated out because they didn't realize the overall move. And then this was the last attempt for those big money institutions to push it up, get some more buyers in, and then dump the rest of their shares, which is exactly what they did. And then what happens after that? All the retail traders stagger. They're like, oh my gosh, should I sell right now? Should I continue to buy? It's below my support level. It's about to hit my stop. I'm going to move my stop down because I think it's going to go back up. This has to be a fake out, right? So, no. It continues to drop. People sell. Goes back up. And then they dump it. The retail traders dump their shares. This is very annoying, this little thing here. But we're going to have to deal with it for this video. Next video, it'll be on the better, it'll be on TradingView, so I can have some lines. This will make more sense. But for this one, bear with me, my friends. So then we come down to this, all the way down to this 4168 level. That is the bottom of the wick, right here. Boom, boom. 4168. As you can clearly see, we garnered up some support, and the buyers decided to step back in. Bada bing, bada boom. Went up with volume. Green candles pushing through those red candles there. As you can see right here, we staggered a little bit, continue to push. They dumped. And now we are currently holding around this previous resistance levels, around these 4576 to the 45 levels, okay? So what we want to see in the future is very simple. We want to see it push higher than this 4752 levels. At the lowest, at the highest, the 4836. If we can see a big breakthrough, that will just confirm that this is a scare tactic and it will continue to the upside. My friends, it's very simple. Very simple. So keep your eyes on the charts and put your notifications in, my friends. Let's get straight into the daily candles. Let's go ahead and drop it a little more Here we go. Okay. This is all we can see. It's not very helpful. I don't know why they changed the charts out. It's quite disgusting if you ask me. Let's go ahead. When in doubt, zoom out. We're going to zoom out to this 1 yearly chart so we can see what's going on. So this is a year chart. Everything that you are seeing has happened within the last year. Saw a huge dump after Bitcoin. What was it? Like 40,000, 50,000, 67,000 at the max. We saw this spike up a lot. But the good news is, as Bitcoin dumped back to that $20,000 level, even lower than that actually, we saw Dogelon Mars hold in around these 2253 levels at the very lowest. Okay, so this right here is our base support. If it breaks through this, we're all screwed. Not really, but if it breaks through this, then that means Bitcoin has broken through those $15,000 levels. And that just wouldn't look good for the overall crypto market. Now, could that happen? Very well. There's a very well chance it could happen. However, based on what we're seeing now, it could still happen. We haven't had any confirmation. Once we break through these levels here at these 5548 levels, right at the top of this candle wick, this resistance level here, this resistance level here, it'll shoot back up all the way to these 8 levels. So if you get in now, that's a good 100% gain. So consider that, but also consider the downside. If it does decide to come up here, test it again, and fails, then we're going to go back down probably around these 2, 8 levels, around the 3 levels again, okay? Catch support, and then continue up. So right now, if you are thinking about getting in, best thing to do is dollar cost average, or just wait a little longer. It wouldn't hurt to wait until it breaks out of these 5 levels. Now you will be missing out on some profits when we do run back up to these 8 levels. That's why if you are really all in on this coin, just dollar cost average. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, only a crypto billionaire. This is not advice, is simple opinions, my friend. This is how I make money in the markets, and this is how you can make money as well. So what I'm doing, I'm just waiting, holding the bags that I have, because I have accumulated a bunch of bags over time. All of you who have continued to buy in here, great prices. You will be in profits as of this moment. However, I urge you to, if you are up and you need the money, shave off some profits, because first of all, you never want to invest money that you're not willing to lose, because it makes you emotional. We all know this, okay? You've heard this 1,000 times, but it's very, very important. If you can't leave your money, if you can't just forget about your money in the crypto markets, then you won't be at the correct emotional state in order to take profits when you need to, or take a loss when you need to, because you'll be needing that money. Let's say we run up all the way, right, and you decide to sell out because it's a good amount of money, right? No, if you don't need the money, then the best thing to do is just hold, and it will continue to rise. You'll make even more money in the future. That's very important. If you look at the trends throughout history of crypto stocks, if you would have just buy and hold, you would be up much more than trying to get in and then get out. Now, don't get me wrong. You can totally get in and get out, make a nice hefty profit with a large amount of capital, and that is a completely different style of trading called day trading, okay? If you are considering day trading, go ahead and shoot me an email at mycryptomoves@gmail.com. I'll leave it in the description. I would love to hop on a call with you so we can talk about it, because there's a lot of risk, and I've done day trading in the past. I continue to do day trading to this day. There's a lot of risk, and if you've never done it, it's really important to, talk to someone before you start to do it. The last thing you want to do is blow up your account in the first week because you make a leverage trade that you just can't, you don't have your stops in, you don't have your take profits in, and you make very beginner mistakes, which can all be bypassed by talking to someone experienced, asking them any questions you have, and getting them answered, getting your doubts answered before you put your own money, in your hard-earned money, into the markets. Very important, my friends. Talk to someone. I'm here for you if you need someone to talk to. mycryptomoves@gmail.com. I'll send you my number if you fit the criteria, and we'll get to talking. So that is all for this video, my friends. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like these type of videos and want to keep updated in the crypto markets. I'm going to refresh just again for you guys. Once it breaks through these 5609 levels, that's confirmation that we will be heading up to these 8 levels, most likely. Because we have no points of resistance left to the left here. Okay, this candle, excuse this chart, it is a horrible chart. Next video, it will be much better. You can't even really read this thing. It's kind of horrible. But, my friends, have a great day. Crypto Bean is 69 out.